Indian Army recruitment for engineering graduates, both male and female, those who are unmarried and widows and defense personnel. This is 58th Short Service Commission notification, and that is for men, and 29th Short Service Commission women. So let's see the eligibility. They should be a candidate of India or Nepal, or a person of Indian origin who has migrated from different countries like Pakistan, Burma, Sri Lanka. And age limit to apply for this post is 20 to 27 years. So maximum age criteria is 27 years and minimum age is 28 years. For the Short Service Commission technical, 58 vacancies for men, and for Short Service Commission women technical, 29 vacancies for women. For widows of defense personnel who died in harness only, the maximum age criteria is 35 years. So the education qualification is bachelor degree, and they should have engineering degree, and final year candidates are also eligible to apply for the post of SSC technical. So you have to produce your certificates, all the final year appearing candidates. The semester examination will be scheduled after 1st April 2022 are not eligible for this. So you need to produce your certificate before the 1st April. So there are different vacancies for different branches. So SSCW non-technical, the eligibility criteria is graduation in any discipline in order to apply for the post of SSCW non-technical, and for SSCW technical, BTech in engineering stream. For SSC Tech, 58 vacancies in different streams: civil engineering 41 vacancies, architect 2 vacancies, mechanical 20, electrical, electronics and electrical and electronics. So there are 14 vacancies. For computer science and engineering, computer science and technology, MSc computer science, there are 32 vacancies. And for information, 9 vacancies, information technology, electronics and telecommunication 5 vacancies, telecommunication 3 vacancies, electronics and communication 8 vacancies, satellite communication 2 vacancies, electronics, so power electronics and drives, electronics engineering, and electronics and electrical engineering, there are 2 vacancies, microelectronics 2 vacancies, aeronautical 5, remote sensing 1 vacancy, electronics and instrumentation 4 vacancies, production 1, automobile 3, industrial 2, ballistic 1, and ballistic biomedical, transportation, textile, food, agriculture, metallurgy. So they all put together 1 vacancy. So SSW Tech, the streams eligible listed are civil engineering 3 vacancies, SSW Tech, that means SSW women, architect 1 vacancy, mechanical 2, electronics and electrical 1 vacancy, computer science 4, information technology 2, aeronautical 1, total 14 vacancies. And for widows, SSW Tech and SSW non-tech 1 vacancy, that is for graduate in any stream for the widows. So this is regarding the number of vacancies and also eligibility criteria for different branches as well as for different category persons. And remember, there is no fees to apply for this post. So these are the allowances what you get after you get selected. And in order to apply for this post, you need to log in to join Indian Army, and you go to apply online and eligibility criteria. You need to apply your requisite documents, and the link for this is given in the description. So if you have any CGPA criteria, the percentage conversion is needed, which states that this much CGPA is equivalent to this percentage. So that is essential criteria to apply for this post. Selection procedure will be based on the cutoff decided by the authorities of SSC, based on percentage or merit based, and after selection of that criteria you will be called for interview which will be held at different locations or selection centers, and after that only shortlisted eligible candidate depending upon the cutoff of the percentage will be interviewed at some of the selection centers, that is Allahabad, Bhopal, Bengaluru, Karnataka, Punjab, and group testing officer and interviewing officer. Call letter for this will be issued in respective email ID or SMS. So allotment of selection centers at the discretion will be based on the criteria, and candidates will put through two-stage selection procedure. So those who clear the stage 1 will go to stage 2. Those who fail in stage 1 will be written on the same day. So that will be after you get shortlisted, there will be two-stage criteria of selection procedure, stage 1 and stage 2, and duration of SB interview is 5 days, and the details of the same are available on the official website. So this when you get selected for stage 1, then you will be followed by 5 days SSB interview of stage 2. After that medical, and then you will be selected as SSB officer. So this is regarding the number of vacancies in Indian Army. And remember, the traveling allowances for interview will be given to you, that is candidates appearing for SSB interview for the first time shall be entitled AC 3 tier to and fro rail or bus fare including reservation cum sleeper charges. So this is regarding the vacancies and also test criteria. Remember, online application has already started on 28th September 2021 and it will end on 27th of October 2021 at 3 o'clock. So please apply for this. And this is regarding Indian Army Short Service Commission technical for women as well as men, and also widows of defense personnel for tech and non-tech.